So here we are looking at the Go 16. I got the enhancement on. No, let me turn it. Yeah, I did have it on. We can see all the aerosols being deployed over Southern California, Arizona, Nevada, Northern California. Let me just stop this. So tons of aerosols in the southern part of California and the middle section. And then out off the coast, you got the bunker fuel being deployed. I mean, this is mega grid here. Let me zoom in on these a little better. Let's just go right over area right here. And you're going to see what the aircraft are doing. I mean, even if you don't believe in chemtrails, when you see this, we have a serious issue with the aircraft in our skies are creating fake clouds, man. They're creating a cloud layer. These are all just from aircraft. There's not a natural cloud in the mix right here. These are all aircraft. Every single one of these X's and lines are aircraft. They're blocking sun, dropping tons of particulates out of the sky. It's killing all the plant life, all the bugs. It's killing everything. Wonder why everybody is sick? It's right here. That's why the earth is sick. Let's go ahead and take this out to the full region. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what it's going to take to get all these people that believe in the left and right paradigm. How are they going to wake up? What's it going to take to wake these people up? People, they need to check out an article called The Pots and Pans Revolution in Iceland. And they got pissed off enough. They went in, put some people in there, but they did pull out all the corrupt government officials. That needs to happen worldwide. The council told taxpayers the restriction translates to no more than 90 seconds of shower time using non-water shower heads. That's just ridiculous. We're on a planet that's like, what, 80% water or something like that, and people are out of water. Don't even make sense.